Welcome. So in this video, we're gonna find out the pros and cons of Shopify review. So if you want to know what are the pros and cons of Shopify review, just keep on watching. So first of all, for the pros, we have 11, which is the user-friendly interface, extensive app store, mobile responsive themes, reliable hosting and security, payment and shipping options, SEO-friendly features, scalability, robust inventory management, abandoned cart recovery customer support, multi-channel selling, and customer support. Okay, so these are the pros of Shopify review. So later on, I'm going to explain one by one. For the cons, we have 12. Those are transaction fees, limited free themes, customizations limitations, monthly subscription costs, app dependency, limited blogging capabilities, learning curve for customizations, limited control over server environment, transaction fees with external payment gateways, limited blogging features, restricted access to customer data, and platform lock-in. Okay, so those are the cons for Shopify review. So first, for the pros, we have user-friendly interface. So Shopify provides an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to set up and manage their online stores without technical expertise. Second, we have the extensive app store. So Shopify offers a vast app store with numerous add-ons and integrations that enhance the functionality of your store. So from marketing tools to inventory, management, and customer support, there are plenty of options to customize your store based on your specific needs. Third, we have mobile responsive themes. So Shopify offers a wide selection of mobile responsive themes, ensuring that your store looks great and functions well on various devices, including smartphones and tablets. Fourth, we have reliable hosting and security. So with a Shopify, you don't have to worry about hosting your website or managing security measures. Shopify takes care of the technical aspects, including server maintenance, software updates, and security patches. Okay, so for the fifth one, we have payment and shipping options. So, Shopify supports multiple payment gateways, including major providers like PayPal and Stripe. So it also offers various shipping integrations, making it convenient to set up shipping options and track orders. For the sixth one, we have SEO friendly features. So Shopify includes built-in SEO features such as customizable meta tags, URL structures, and sitemap integration, helping your store rank higher in search engine results and attract more organic traffic. Next, we have, or the seventh one, we have the scalability. Shopify is designed to accommodate business of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. The platform can handle high levels of traffic and transactions, ensuring that your store can grow as your business expands. I'm sorry. So for the robust inventory management, Shopify provides robust inventory management features allowing you to easily track stock levels, manage variants and SKUs, and set up automated notifications for low inventory. This helps you stay organized and avoid overselling. Next, we have abandoned cart recovery customer support. So, Shopify offers built-in tools to help recover abandoned shopping carts or abandoned cart recovery. So, Shopify offers built-in tools help recover abandoned shopping carts. You can send automated emails to customers who leave items in their carts, encouraging them to complete their purchase and potentially boosting your sales. So next we have the multi-channel selling. Shopify allows you to sell across various channels, including social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, marketplace like Amazon and eBay, and in person with a Shopify's point of sale or POS system. So this enables you to reach a wider audience and sell through multiple channels simultaneously. So the last pros is the customer support. So Shopify provides 24/7 customer support through various channels, including live chat, email, and phone. Their support team is knowledgeable and can assist you with technical issues, troubleshooting, and general inquiries. Now let's go with cons of Shopify review. We have transaction fees. While Shopify offers different pricing plans, there are transaction fees for each sale made through external payment gateways, unless you use Shopify payments. These fees can add up, especially for businesses with high transaction volumes. Next, limited free themes. While Shopify provides a range of themes to choose from, the number of free themes is limited. Premium themes, which offer more customization options and advanced features, often come with an additional cost. Next, customization limitations. Although Shopify allows you to customize your store's appearance, the level of customization can be limited compared to other platforms. Making extensive design changes may require coding knowledge or the assistance of a developer. Next, we have monthly subscription costs. Shopify operates on a monthly subscription model, and the cost can be a recurring expense for small businesses or those just starting out. The pricing plans vary based on features and transaction fees. An additional cost may be incurred for premium themes or third party apps. Next is the app dependency. While the Shopify App Store offers a wide range of functionalities, relying heavily on apps can increase costs and potentially lead to performance issues if too many apps are installed. Carefully selection and management of apps are necessary to ensure smooth store operation. Next, limited blogging capabilities. Shopify includes a blogging feature, but it is not as robust compared to dedicated blogging platforms. If content marketing and blogging are central to your e-commerce strategy, you may find the blogging capabilities of Shopify somewhat limited. Next, we have the learning curve for customization. While Shopify offers a user-friendly interface, making extensive customizations to your store design or functionality may require some coding knowledge or the assistance of a developer. This can be a challenge for users without technical expertise. With a limited control over server environment, since Shopify is a hosted platform, you have limited control over the server environment. This means you rely on Shopify for server maintenance, updates, and backups, and you may not have the ability to implement certain advanced server configurations. For those transaction fees and with external payment gateways, if you choose to use a payment gateway other than Shopify payments, additional transaction fees will apply. This can impact your profit margins, especially if you have a high value of sales. Next, limited blogging features. While Shopify includes a blogging feature, it may not offer the same level of functionality as dedicated blogging platforms. If content marketing and blogging are critical aspects of your business strategy, you might need to supplement Shopify's blogging capabilities with third-party integrations or consider using separate blogging platform. For the next one, we have restricted access to customer data. So, Shopify's data access policies can limit the amount of customer data you can extract or export. This can impact your ability to analyze customer behavior or integrate with external analytics tools. For the last one, we have platform plugin. So this is the last cons of Shopify review. If you decide to switch away from Shopify in the future, migrating your store to another platform can be challenging. It may require significant time and effort to transfer product data, customer information, and design elements to a new e-commerce. Overall, Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that simplifies the process of setting up and managing an online store. It offers numerous features, integrations, and an intuitive interface, making it an attractive choice for business of all sizes. However, business should carefully consider the associated cost, customization limitations, and transaction fees to ensure that Shopify aligns with their specific requirements and budget. It is important to carefully evaluate these pros and cons based on your specific business needs and priorities. Shopify remains a popular choice for e commerce due to its user friendly interface, extensive features, and scalability. However, considering potential limitations and costs associated with the platform is crucial to making an informed decision. Okay? So that's all for the pros and cons of Shopify review. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.